Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to this channel. So today we are going to discuss about what is software testing. Okay, so in software testing there are two words. First is software and another one is testing. So first let's discuss about software. Software is a set of instructions, data, or program used to operate a computer and execute the intended task, right? As you understand, right? The software does not understand our language. So there is language, machinery language, which software understand. So these are the data, programs, and instructions. Now, if we talk about testing, testing is nothing but a technique to check any object is working well or working good, right? So let's suppose if you are purchasing a pen, right? How you will check? You will check where the pen is running properly on the white paper or rough paper. You will, having some angle of the pen, and you will be checking whether the pen is running smoothly or not, right? So this is the technique. Now we will understand software and testing both together, right? So software plus testing equals to software testing. Now, what is software testing, right? So lots of people says software testing is finding the bugs, but this is not only finding the bugs, but also it is a process which help us to identify the correctness, completeness, security, and quality of the any of the developed application, right? So there are four terms in this definition: correctness, completeness, security, and quality, right? And the first one is not only finding the bugs. So if we understand it correctly, all the four terminology, first we will check correctness, right? Correctness means what? All the requirements are implemented correctly. So uh, let's take example of sum. So 2 plus 2 equals to 4, right? So the if answer comes is as a 4, then the requirement is implemented correctly. Okay. Now we will check the completeness. Completeness means what? All the requirements are implemented. Nothing is missed, right? So let's suppose we have four requirement in the calculator. First is subtraction, addition, multiplication, and division. So there are four requirements. If we have implemented all the requirement in the calculator, that means the requirement is implemented and nothing is missed, right? The third one is security. Security means, security also a vast term, but here we can say only authenticate user can access the functionality if they are authenticated to use, right? So let's take example. uh, if you have a bank account, right? If you have a bank account, then only you can withdraw the money, you can deposit the money. If you don't have bank account, you cannot withdraw and deposit the money, right? So this is for security purpose. And the fourth one is quality, right? Quality means what? It fulfills the end user requirement, right? So let's suppose your requirement is, you give 10 rupees and you want 10 pence, right? So if you give 10 rupees and you get 10 pence, then means your requirement is fulfilled, right? So that's the quality of this requirement, right? So with all these terminologies, if we go for the final question, which is what is software testing, if you want to conclude this with all these parameters, right? So we will give the perfect definition. Software testing is not only finding the bugs, but also it is a process which help us to identify the completeness, correctness, security, quality of the developed product application. That's it. Thank you.